Hi, today we are going to say the Falastuti 1 to 10. Vanamali Gadi Shankhi Shankhi Chakri Chanandagi Shriman Narayano Vishnu Vasudevo Bhirakshatu. Vanamali is the garland that Bhagavan is wearing. Vanamali, that is called the forest garland. Vanam means forest, Mali means the garland. Gadi, Shanki, Shanki, Chakri. These are the four main things that Bhagavan is holding in all his four hands. One is the mace, another is conch, then the sword and the wheel. Gada is the mace, conch is the shankh, and Chakram is the Sudarshana Chakram, that is the wheel, and Bhagavan also has the sword, that is the Shankh. Nandagi. Nandagi means who is the son of Nandagopal. Shriman Narayano. Shri means Lakshmi Devi. Who has Lakshmi Devi in his heart, that is our Narayanan. Vishnur Vasudevo Abharikshadu. That means Abharikshadu means please protect us. Preto, please protect us, O Lord Narayana, who always wears a forest garland, who has the mace, conch, sword, and the wheel, and who is also called as Vishnu. Vishnu means who is ruling the Vishwam or the whole universe. And the Vasudeva. Vasudeva means who is the son of Vasudeva. Iti tam kirtiniyasya Keshavasya Mahatmanaha Namnam Sahasram Divya Nama Sheshena Prakirtitam. That means Ititam. Thus was told. Kirtaniyasya. Kirtaniyasya means who is hearing the Kirtanam. Kirtanam means all the good things, holy names of Bhagavan. Keshavasya. Oh, Keshava. Keshava is another name of Bhagavan, who killed the evil Keshu. That's why he's called Keshava. Mahatmanaha means Mahatma means who is great. Nam, all the holy 1,000 names. Sahasram. How many? Hasram means 100. Sa means 10 times. So Sahasram means 10 times 100. That is 1,000 names. Divya. Divya means who is, the names are so purification to everybody who hears it. It purifies our soul. Nama Sheshena, all the names of Bhagavan. Prakirtidam, that means it is, you will be feeling to hear the names again and again. That means it will tempting. Or if you hear the Namam again and again, you will be feeling a blissful happiness. Ya idam shrinuya nityam Yaschabi parikirtayet Nashubham prapnuyat kinchit somutreha cha manava. That means Ya idam. Idam means like this. Shrinu ya nityam. Shrinu means hears. Using all our senses, when you hear Ya Nityam means all these names. Yaschabi, however we are listening to it, we will be parikirtayed. We will be famous, or we will be popular, or we will be known to our dear ones in the same way as the Bhagavan. Na Shubham. That means Shubham means very good. Na Shubham, nothing good. That means no bad will come to us. That means every time our life will be in a very good position. Prapnuyat, Prapnuyat, who will be achieving. Kinchitso, Kinchitso means our life hereafter. Mutrehacha Manavaha. Manavaha means who is living on this universe, listening to all these names, they will be having a life. Even after death, they will attain the Vaikuntham. That means he who hears or sings it all without any fail in all the days of the year, they will never get into bad in this life, and after that or in any life they come to this universe. Vedanta Goswat Kshatriyo Vijayi Bhavet Vaishyo Dhana Samriddhasya Swakshutra Sukhamapnuyat. That means Vedanta go Brahmana. Brahmana will get the knowledge when they sing all these 1,000 names of Bhagavan. Swakshatriyo Vijayi Bhaved. Vijayi means who will get victory. Bhaved means from Bhagavan. Swakshatriyo means all the Kshatriyas who is telling or reciting these names will get victory. Vaishyo Dhana Samriddha. Dhanam means wealth. Samriddham means will achieve. Vaishyo Dhana Samriddha means Vaishyas will get wealth. Swachutra Sukha Mapnuyat means Shudras who are reciting these names. Sukha means pleasures. Vapnuyat, Apnuyat means they will attain it. So Brahmin will get knowledge, the Kshatriyas will get victory, the Vaishyas will get wealth, and Shudras will get pleasures by reading all these 1,000 names of Bhagavan. Dharmarthi prapnuyad dharmamartharthi chaknumapnuyad kamana vapnuyad kami prajarthi chaknuyad prajam. That means Dharmarthi. Arthi means who is seeking. Dharma means who is always following the path of dharma. Who seeks dharma. Prapnuyat dharma martharthi chartha mapnuyat. That means prapnuyat dharmam martharthi. That means who wants wealth. Who is seeking wealth. Chartha mapnuyat, who is seeking pleasure. Kamam means pleasure. So kamana vapnuyat kami. If you want pleasure and you are seeking all these names for the sake of pleasure, you will achieve it. If you are seeking all these names for the sake of dharma, you will attain dharma. And if you seeking all these names for the wealth, you will achieve wealth. Prajarthi chapnuyat prajam. Prajarthi means who are doing all these names for the sake of children. If you want to get good kids, then they will also achieve by reciting all these 1,000 names of Bhagavan. And will all without fail, they will be achieving for sure what they want. Dharmarthi prapnuya dharmam. If you want dharmam, you will get dharma. Matharthi chartha mapnuyad. If you want wealth, you will get wealth. Artha means wealth. Kamana vapnuyat kami. If you want pleasure, you will get it. Prajarthi chapnuyat prajam. If you want kids, you will get it. Whatever you wish for by reciting these names, Bhagavan will bless you with whatever you seek for. Bhaktimanya satotaya shujigatgata manasaka sahasram vasudevasya namna metat prakirtayet. So, yasha prapnoti bhaktimanya sadhotaya. Bhakti means when you are doing with devotion. Sadhotaya, with utmost devotion. Shuji Gatgata Manasaka. Manasa means mind. Shuji means with purity. Gatgatam means with all your mind focused on these names. Sahasram, all the 1,000 names. Vasudevasya, names of Bhagavan Vasudeva. Namna metat prakirtayet, who is doing these names without any fail. That means whoever the devotee sings the 1,000 names of Vasudeva with utmost devotion, then when he rises in the morning or in the evening or at any point of time in the day, there is not a particular time to do the nama, with his mind focused completely on Bhagavan, then yasha prapnoti vipulam jnati pradhanyamevacha ajalam shriyamapnoti shreya prapnotya nuttamam. That means yasha. Yasha means yashas means the fame. Yasha prapnoti. Prapnoti, you will attain it. Vipulam. Vipulam means in a very wide way. Jnati. Jnati means you will attain the knowledge. Pradhanyam. Pradhanyam means if you with more important way. That means whatever important things that you are asking, you will get it that way. Evacha, from Bhagavan. Achala. Achala means without any fail. Shriya Mapnodi. Shreya means riches. If you ask for it, the popularity, you will get it. Shreyas, that means you will be popular with all your known people. Prapnotya Uttamam. That means with the devotee who is saying this names, 1,000 names, they will get fame without fail. And they will be the first at whatever thing they does. They will get the riches or all the popularity for sure. And they will attain the salvation from all these bonds. Na bhayam kvachidapnodi viryam tejascha vindadi bhavatya rogo dyutiman bala rupa gunanvitaha. Na bhayam. Bhayam means scared. Na means no. Na is negate. So na bhayam means you will never be scared of anything. Kvachi tapnodi. That means you will be winning with all the victorious games. Viryam. That means you will show your power. Tejascha. Tejas means you will be glowing. Vindadi. You will be blessed with that. Bhavatya rogo. Roga means all the ailments or sickness. Bhavatya rogo. Bhagavan will never give you any sickness. Dyutiman. Dyutiman means you will have all the virtues. Balam. You will be powerful. Rupam means you will be in a very full-fledged form. Gunanvita, you will be blessed with all the good, what you say, you will be blessed with all the Gunams means all the good things. You will have all the good properties that others will be craving for. So they will try to follow you. That means you will never be afraid of anything, and you will be bubbling. You will be happy with vim and valor, and you will never be ill, and you will be handsome forever, and you will have all virtues in the wide world, and you will be have the power to control in a good way. Then rogarto muchyate rogat, bhando muchyeda bandhanat, bhayan muchyeda bhitastu, muchyetapanna apataha. Rogarto. Artham means the prosperity. Roga means sickness. So you will never be sick. You will have all the prosperity. Muchyeta from Bhagavan. Roga bandho. When you are tied with all the attachments, you will not be able to completely involve in anything. So you will be free from the attachment. Muchyeda bandhana. You will not be chained, or you will not be bound to any relations, or you will not be bound with emotions. You will be able to control the emotions. Bhayan muchyeda. Only thing you will be thinking of Bhagavan. Bhitastu. You will be get rid of all the fear. Muchyeda apanna. Muchyeda apanna means you will not have any danger. Apataka, you will never be in danger, and you will be safe in Bhagavan's hand. That means you will, if you have little bit illness also, it will be cured. Any person will have the sickness in all through the year, maybe 1 or 2 times, but you will be able to handle it. You will be cured. You will not get immersed in that sickness. You will be more powerful and overcome that sickness. And you will be bound to be free. You will be very much safe, and you will not be afraid of anything. Even if you are scared of something, you will overcome it. And if you feel you are in danger, you will overcome that danger and will be safe. Durga niratyashu purusha purushottamam stuvan nama sahasrena nityam bhakti samanvitaha. That means Durganya Titara Tyashu. That means one who chants all these 1,000 names. Purusha means Bhagavan's another name is Purushottama. So whoever he is chanting, they will attain that Purushottamam. Uttama Purusham. That means the person who has very good qualities. Stuvan Nama Sahasrena. Sahasra means 1,000. Nama means names. All these 1,000 names. Stuvam means by remembering Bhagavan. Nityam means every day. Bhakti means with devotion. Samanvitaka means together with bhakti and devotion and remembering Bhagavan. That means he who chants those 1,000 names with devotion to the Bhagavan Purushottama, they will cross all the sadness or sorrows or the miseries, and they will be crossing without any fail. Vasudevashrayo martyo Vasudeva parayanaha sarva papa vishuddhatma yati brahma sanatanam. Vasudevashrayo. Whoever is hearing the shlokas of Vishnu, all the 1,000 names of Vishnu. Martyo. Martyo means the person. Vasudeva Parayana. And whoever is reciting the names of Bhagavan. Sarva means everything. Papa means all the bad things or sins. All the sins. Vishuddhatma, that means be purified. Yadi, then they will be Brahma, attaining the Brahman. Sanatanam, that means with all the pure soul, they will be reaching the Brahma. That means the Bhagavan who is nearing Vasudeva, by reciting this Nama, they will take Bhagavan as the shelter, or Vaikuntham, reach the Vaikuntham, and they will get rid of all the sins and become purer than the pure. As whenever you listen to Vishnu Sahasranamam, and they will reach Brahman, and they will exist forever, and they will not get the Janmas again and again. They will reach the Vaikuntham. So, Vanamali Gadishangi Shankhi Chakri Chanandagi Srimannarayano Vishnur Vasudevo Apharikshatu Ititam Kirtiniyasya Keshavasya Mahatmanaka Namnam Sahasram Divya Nama Sheshena Prakirtitam Ya Idram Shrinuya Nityam Yaschapi Parikirtayet Nashubham Prapnuyat Kinchit Somutreha Chamanavakam Vedantako Brahmana Swakshatriyo Vijayi Bhavet Vaishyodana Samriddha Swakshutra Sukhamapnuyat Dharmarthi Praknuyat Dharmamartharthi Charthamapnuyat Kamanavapnuyat Kami Prajarthi Chapnuyat Prajam Bhaktimanya Sadothaya Shujigadgatamanasakam Sahasram Vasudevasya Namna Metat Prakirtayet Yasha prapnoti vipulapnyadi pradhanyameva cha achalam shriya bapnoti shreya prapnotyamuttamam na bhayam kvachidapnoti viryam tejascha bindati bhavatyaro dyutiman balarupa gunanvitaha rogarto muchyate rogad bhanto muchyeda bandhanat Bhayan muccheda bhitastu muccheta panna apataha durganyatti tadatyashu purusha purushottamam stuvannama sahasrena nityam bhakti samanvitaha vasudevashrayo martyo vasudeva parayanaha sarva papa vishuddhatma yadi brahma sanatanam. Thank you.